In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Safari desktop mode. If you're using Safari on an iPhone and a website keeps showing a simplified mobile version, switching to desktop mode can help you see a layout that looks more like what you'd get on a computer. This is especially useful for websites where certain menus, settings, or features are easier to find on the desktop version. Let's start by opening a single website in desktop mode. First, open Safari and go to the website you want to view. Once the page has loaded, look at the address bar and tap the Page Settings button. Depending on your iOS version, this may look like a small rectangle with two lines underneath it, or it may appear as the AA icon. This button gives you access to website display options. After tapping that, open the three-dot menu and choose Request Desktop Website. Safari will then reload the page and try to display the desktop version of that site instead of the mobile one. Give it a moment to refresh. Once it finishes loading, you should see the desktop-style layout if the website supports it. Now, if you want Safari to try opening websites in desktop mode automatically, you can change that in your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Apps and choose Safari. Inside the Safari settings, look for Request Desktop Website. Tap on it, then turn on All Websites. With this enabled, Safari will attempt to load the desktop version of websites by default, so you won't need to request it manually each time. One important thing to keep in mind is that this setting does not guarantee that every website will look exactly like it does on a computer. Some modern websites use responsive design, which means they automatically adjust themselves to fit your screen size. So even if you request the desktop version, the site may still appear mobile-friendly on your iPhone. That's normal behavior and usually depends on how the website was built. If a site doesn't change much after requesting the desktop version, try reloading the page once more and make sure the setting is applied. Also remember that desktop mode can sometimes make text and buttons appear smaller, so you may need to zoom in for easier reading. And that's all you need to do to make Safari use desktop mode on iPhone, either for one website at a time or for all websites by default.